Guys, helium is rising. HNT broke out of a falling wedge pattern. Is it going to stay or is it going to come back down? Let's talk about it today. Road Dog Crypto. Welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. My name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog. Today we are taking a look at helium. We've got a breakout. And right now I am on the weekly. And look at this. We got a green dot on market cipher. That is always welcome. I do want to pay attention to these stochastics. They do look like they have a bearish cross. How far this will go up, I don't know, but it looks like we do have a good chance here. So for you traders out there, we may be looking at something. Now I'm back at the daily. We can see the breakout has happened. We have not got this candle to close. We need to see it close outside of this line. There's a good chance that that can happen because checking out the MACD, we got a bullish cross here and our histogram is in the green going to the upside. Very welcome sign right there. Our daily RSI is at 50. That's a bullish sign. Anything above 50 means that we are kind of in bullish territories. So let's go down to some smaller time frames here and see if we can get a better picture of the story. We can see that we've broken up to the upside of the Ichimoku, the red. That is good. That means that we are officially in a bullish pattern here so far. However, it seems right here is going to be the tricky area. Currently, we've got to get past this $2.28 area because it is the 200 moving average on the 4 hour. It is officially not bullish in my opinion and that of a lot of other traders until price breaks out above and holds this level, and then we continue to the upside. So that is a very important level to watch right there. Let's go ahead and mark that. Now on this 4 hour chart, there are some things to be concerned about. It looks like we are starting to get a little bit tired here. However, I do want to point out this. On market cipher, the money flow is starting to come up. Now VWAP is starting to come down. We've got to see how this works out. We also have the stochastics pinned up here at the top at the moment. At some point, this is going to break to the downside and we will get a little bit of a retest. But currently our momentum wave is still showing some strength to the upside. Strictly speaking, on the 4 hour chart, I would expect price to come back down to this white line, which is my 100 EMA. That could give us the bullish retest for this trend line or the breakout area and could signal a good chance that we could come up to these higher levels. And coming down to the 1 hour chart, we're trying to see if we can get any kind of confluence or confirmation that that may happen. We do now have a green dot on market cipher, meaning that we got some strength here to try to break up out of that zone. If we were to zoom in to the 15-minute just to get a little bit more information, it appears that we have an ascending triangle which is broken out and possibly doing a retest here. So keep your eyes out for some possible upward action, but we do need to make it above 226 for this to be bullish officially. Now it's also worth noting that price action right here is traveling down. It's traveling upward on our indicators here. That is indicating some bullish divergence, both on the market cipher momentum wave and also a little bit on the RSI right there. That's what gave us a little pop to the upside. The question is, are we going to keep it? So if things do go in our favor, whether we get a retest of the trend line or we break above this area right here, which is critical at 228, once we get above that level, we have a chance to come up, first of all, to our first target, which is going to be a 382 Fibonacci retracement. And honestly, being in a bear market, it is quite possible that we do find some rejection here, about $3.21. However, if we do get lucky to go up higher than that, I would be looking at $3.76 right up here at this 618 Fibonacci, which is taken from this last move right over here. It's more of a conservative move, which can also bring us possibly up here to this high at 429 for that conservative measure move. There is one other measure move that we want to keep our eye on for a bigger part of this falling wedge, and that would bring us up to 645. I don't see this happening anytime soon. This is something that may possibly take a while to play out. But currently, I am looking at a very good possibility that we can get up to $3.21 and possibly up to $3.76 over these next coming days, possibly weeks. But do remember, on the weekly, so far we're looking good. On the daily, we've also got some divergence playing out right here, and that's what's given us our pump to the upside. Divergence on the daily, also on the 4 hour, working in our favor. Helium looks like it's getting ready to put a little profit in some traders' pockets, and I love seeing the Ichimoku turn green right here. We are on the 1 hour. Things are looking good for helium. Until next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog. Check out this Easter egg.
Some call him the Nostradamus of crypto. His jargon skills have discovered new entire galaxies. He once was engaged to Satoshi Nakamoto's oldest sister. He is the most interesting trader in the world. And today we ask him, what do you do when the market crashes?
I buy more. And I also subscribe to Road Dog Crypto. Trade wisely, my friends.